It's committed club time. Committed club. This is Marley.
Hey.
She's committed to doing committed club.
Yes.
On time. It's my fault. Yeah. You were going to say that.
I was.
Yeah. So, here we are. I was busy getting a haircut, which was much needed, and that's why I was late. But not late by 3 or a week. Just late today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, okay. Do we have audio? We should make sure we have audio. I don't know where the audio went.
I feel like we don't have audio. Is anybody watching? Can you see when people are watching?
Yeah, nobody's watching.
See if we have audio, Michael. Log it. See our. Go on our Facebook Live and see if you can hear us.
There's normally like an audio bar.
Stop.
Gosh, we are just so.
But you can see it here.
There it is. Okay, we have audio.
Okay,
cool.
We have audio.
Wrong button. All right. So, committed club. Who's in the committed club?
We have Janet, Sophie, Bonnie, Jacob, Shanna, Julianna, Nigel, Sydnee, Minerva, Rosie, Donovan, Kodie, Steven, Dixon, Dina, Tim, and Vanessa.
Nice. There's some new names on here.
Yeah.
Donovan. Nice. Fantastic. Donovan Schmidt of Pappy McGregor's fame. Go see him down there. Tim. Awesome.
In.
Yeah. I've never seen Jacob Paul on this list before. Congratulations, Jacob Paul. Which we'll talk more about him later. But anyway, we have the bingo balls.
And here's all the names.
All the names. See, it's totally random since nobody believed my random.org drawings. All right. Who is December's committed club?
Can you reach? All right, here we go. You can tell me what number it is. Oh, go this way.
He's not tall enough.
Okay, ready? Here it comes. Grab it. It's gonna come out. There it is. Oh, maybe. Yep. There's the winner.
Who do we got? Hold it up to the camera.
I-17.
I-17. Speak of the devil. The proud winner of a Fit Aid or NoCo punch card, Mr. Jacob Paul.
Good job, Jacob.
Congratulations for being committed. Marley, tell our fans how you get on the committed club.
You need to check into class 16 times in a month, so that's about 4 times a week. Make sure you check in, and your name will be on this list.
On the list. Okay, so it was the end of the year, so we have a fourth quarter committed club drawing. And surprisingly, Jacob Paul was not on this list. He missed a month, which is very strange. He was probably in Boston doing Bostonian drinking things, living it up. So kind of surprised to see that he wasn't on the list. But the 3 names who made committed club all 3 months was Sophie, surprise, surprise, Sydnee, and Minerva.
And both Sophie and Sydnee do the weightlifting class. So they get like double check-ins.
They get double check-ins, and they don't miss a class anyway. They don't need the double check-ins because they were in the 20-ish sessions. And
like 29.
If you follow Minerva on social media, you will also know she does not miss a day.
5:30 a.m.
So, fantastic job, ladies. All right, so the winner of this, you'll probably have to adjust the bingo balls. Oh, okay. The winners of the fourth quarter committed club get free registration to the Ergo Intramural Open this year.
Nice.
Really good value on that. And Marley says they get to pick their team.
Yeah. Yes.
So maybe you'll pick Savage Joe's. Or maybe you'll pick Peanut Butter and Jelly. Or maybe you'll pick Open Season. So, anyway. All right. Here we go.
Here we go. We might have to go until we get a winner.
Committed club.
19? Nope.
Nope.
Oh. Come on. B9?
Nope.
What is it? Robert. Stop. I-20.
Keep going. Keep going.
65. No. Oh, geez. 64. Sydnee!
Sydnee!
Yay!
Congratulations, Sydnee. Your committedness has entered you into the intramural open. So congratulations to everybody on this list. Your fitness is better for it, and we appreciate you. So, till next month.
Sign up for the open.
Sign up for the open. It's going to be awesome.
Awesome.
Incredible. And we'll see you guys at the gym.
Wait, that's true.